A very good evening to one and all. Today we will discuss about spell number in Excel. So sometime while working in Excel, we want to convert our numeric value to words. That means in that situation, we just look for that Excel feature that turns our number into words. So what we will be doing in that situation? For example, we have certain type of the numeric values like 1, 134 and 340. So these all are numeric values and we want to turn it into words like 1, 134 and 30,000. So all these are numeric values and we want to turn it into words. So what we will be doing in that situation? So there is not any inbuilt formula or any type of the function that allows us to do this. So what we have to do it? We have to customize this function. We have to create this function manually through VBA programming. So what is the procedure? How we will be doing this? So this is described in this slide. So first of all, what we have to do this? We have to open the Excel worksheet. So when we will open the Excel worksheet, then we have to press two keys, Alt plus F11. So when we will press Alt plus F11, then a window will appear and this window will be related with VBA programming. So in that window, we have to click on Insert and then we have to select the module. After that, there is a VBA programming related to spell number that is given in the description box. You have to paste that function in that particular menu. After that, you will be able to perform this function. So this procedure is described in the remaining slides. For example, firstly we will open the Excel workbook. After that, Alt plus F11 key will be pressed and after that this menu will appear. So we will click on module. In Insert, there is option module. We will click here. When we will be clicking here, then a window will appear. So this window will look like this. After that, we will paste the function in this window. After pasting this function, we will save this. So now this function is customized. Now we have manually created this function and we can use it very easily to convert our numeric values into text. So now how to perform this function? So first of all, we will write all the numeric values which we want to convert in numbers. After that, we will write this particular function which we have manually created, starting with equal to sign. So equal to, then spell number. After that, we will select the cell which we want to convert in text. After selecting, we will press the enter key and when we will press the enter key, this function will be performed. That means our numeric value will be converted in text value, in words. Now 10,000 is converted into text. So the same function you can apply in the remaining cells also. So no need of writing it time and again. Just copy this function and after that paste it. And you can change the remaining cells also in words. So it is a very important function. So you should try it. So the procedure is also elaborated in this video. For example, we have certain type of the numeric values and we want to convert it. So first of all, we have to press Alt plus F11 key. So after pressing, we will be directed to a menu of Visual Basic. So what we have to do this, we have to click on Insert, and after that selecting the module, we will be getting a window. So in this window we will paste the VBA programming which we have copied from description box. So here we will paste it. After pasting this, we will save this. So while saving this, we have to take into consideration that we have to save this file in a separate format. So in that situation, you have to select Save As. So in Save As, there are certain type of the options available like Excel workbook, and some other options will also be there. So accordingly, when we will click here, so what we have to do this, we have to select Excel macro enabled workbook, Excel SM. So we have to save in this format. After saving this, now we can use spell number function. So the spell number function is now customized. We have created it manually and now we can use this as I told earlier. So spell number, and after selecting that particular cell, we will press the enter key and we will get a result. So our numeric data is converted in words, in text it is converted. So same we can use in further cells. So we will copy this formula and paste in the remaining cells. So we will be getting the result instantly. So it is a very important function. So we can use in very complex data also. We can enter any type of the data and then applying the test we will be getting the results. So thanks a lot